Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be weeding out some iron-on. This is a 3-layer design, black, gray, and white. It's actually a Star Wars design. I'll be making the same design, 2 different sizes, one for a regular shirt and the other one for a tank top. So let's get everything weeded out and then we will get it ironed on. Okay, I've got my first shirt here. Let's use my roller, sticky roller, get any excess fuzz off of it. So we got a cute dusty rose pink color. I think it's going to be a pretty funny shirt once the employee of the month is on there. Let's try to get that as straight as possible. Okay, just need to grab a piece of big parchment paper that I know will cover the full shirt. There we go. So I'm just giving it a couple seconds here. Preheat. There we go. So the layering on this goes white, black, then gray. You would normally think that the black would go on top, but the gray is just some highlight colors there. So to line it up, I've got the white and the black attached because obviously I want the words to go as good as possible. So I'm just using the 3s as my guide for getting this centered. That looks pretty good. And now the trick is to leave the white layer down and pull the black layer off. So that went pretty good. So because it's layered, Cricut's heat guide for the regular everyday iron-on vinyl is to press down with firm pressure, 1 to 3 seconds, and then warm peel. So, oh, we don't want to turn it off. So there's 1 to 3 seconds. Cool him off. And this way as well, if you go for the shorter amount of time when you have layers, you should have less stretching of the actual iron-on. But the other problem is sometimes it just doesn't want to stick down. So sometimes it's a trade-off. What's the best way you want to do it? You want the extra couple seconds, easier to peel off, maybe having some stretching, or less seconds. There we go. There's the first layer done. Now we'll line up the Employee of the Month. Okay. We will do this again, but we'll actually do the timer down. Go. Get that one stuck. And then the last layer, you do the 15 seconds, flip it over, do another 10 to 15 seconds. So get this cooled off. There are quite a few smaller pieces in this one, some of the detail in the helmet of the stormtrooper. Seconds, still a little warm. I gotta give them a couple more seconds because that tea is not popping up. So I will go this way, make sure I'm getting everything. There we go. And cooled off. Now this liner here I'll have to keep and put down over the gray part because the gray part only goes over the white area. There we go. This looks like he's pulling up a lot better.
At the bottom just don't want to come up with things.
I'm gonna have to hit that bottom one more time. Let's see if that will stick it down enough. The top came off no problem. So maybe my first press, I didn't really get this area that well. There we go. Okay, keep him to the side. Smooth everything out again. Sorry for the cat meowing in the background. My cats are put away because we had a friend decided to join our household last night. A random cat just waltzed into our house. I'm trying to hunt down the owners now. So far I haven't had any luck, but hopefully I'll be able to find them. So obviously I want this kitty to get to his right home. He looks like he's a pretty young cat. Alright, this one's being a little picky. Trying to get it as even as possible. I'll put this one over. There we go. Okay, he gets the full shot. So 2 hands, and I am really pushing into this. I want everything to stick well. Okay. I'm gonna let him cool. Take that layer off right now, get him out of the way. Yeah, the shirt's looking pretty good. There, perfect. Let's get him flipped over. Second press from the back, again for the full 15 seconds. Said 10 to 15, but I'm gonna do 15 just to be on the safe side because of some of those really small cut lines. Okay, so there's the first one done. So when you're doing iron-on, you know that it's stuck when you start to see the pattern of the shirt in there. So I'm gonna let this one cool and we'll start on the second one. Okay, both shirts have cooled. I think they both turned out great. Obviously the gray one, this is a big one. The pink one on a short sleeve, pink top style. It looks cute on both. Obviously I did different sizes just to correspond with the size of the shirt. Could you imagine this one? It would take up the whole front of the shirt and it wouldn't look good. So keep in mind as you're doing your sizing, if you're doing more than one shirt, so say you're doing shirts for your family, dad, mom, kids, you know, the same pattern, it won't look right the same size on all the shirts. So you have to correspond it to the size, if that makes sense. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.